Hi, this is Jane Chiu from thefabulousbodymind.com. I'm 50 years old this year, and I actually discovered that in recent years, my memory has been deteriorating. I first discovered this problem after I gave birth to my 3 kids, and I was at my 30s that time. I kept forgetting where I put my car keys, where I put my bag, where I put my handphone. And I have to end up using a lot of my time searching for these items. So these are just some examples. It is very frustrating, and I decided to do something to improve the situation. I like to prevent or delay getting dementia at later part of my life. So I do a lot of research on how to improve my memory, how to keep my brain stimulated, how to stay focused, and how to be more productive in my work. I find that brain exercises or neurobics are particularly effective in helping me to achieve this purpose. So these exercises actually really help to help me to stimulate my brain, help me to stay focused, and really help me to feel happy. That is the most important thing, because every time when I manage to trick certain neurobics or brain exercise, I feel so happy and I feel so satisfied. One of the key secrets to stimulate your brain is to actually identify brain exercises that are out of your routine on daily basis. Just practice all these brain exercises for about 10 to 1 hour a day, and it will help you to boost your memory. So in this video course, I have actually compiled all these brain exercises that are very effective, and I will keep on adding more exercises along the way.